Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix seeing a green screen when playing video on VLC. Here are simple quick methods to fix it quickly. Fix 1. Close VLC, reopen. Fix 1. Close VLC and reopen. First, swipe up and hold open app switcher. Second, swipe up on VLC to close it fully. Third, open VLC again and try the video. Sometimes the decoder glitch and this restart it, reset it. Fix 2. Turn off hardware decoding. First, open the VLC app, tap on the menu, top left, go to the settings, find hardware decoding, then turn it off. Now restart VLC and play the video again. Fix 3. Try alternative video output. First, go to VLC setting again. Second, look for video output or X-ray related output. Third, switch between automatic, OpenGL or default. Test the video again. Fix 4. Re-import the video. The file may have been corrupted during read transfer. Delete the file from VLC, then re-edit by files, app, airdrop or Wi-Fi uploaded. Try playing again. Fix 5. Update or reinstall the VLC. Go to the App Store, then search for VLC. Tap on update if there is any. Then still seeing green screen, delete VLC and reinstall it. Add your videos back and that's it. Your VLC green screen problem should now fixed. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next